welcome to this channel. Today in this channel we have the video on SUMIFS. I have the given table. In this table I want to find the total quantity in the given month. If we change the month, then total quantity will be given in this table automatically. How we can do that? We use SUMIFS formula is equal to sum ifs and then bracket starts. Now first we find the sum range. We want to find this total quantity, so we select our range is this total quantity. Then first our criteria range 1 is in which dates, in these dates, and then comma which is our criteria 1. So our criteria 1 is start date. So again I have tried here, after selecting this date I can write here we want the date equal to 1 or greater than 1. So here inverted comma starts and then we write greater than sign and equal to sign and then inverted commas close and then and sign. Now this is the criteria 1 complete. Have you seen this? We want that our date starts from 1, but we want to find the range up to 30. So that's why I write here greater than equal to F5. In F5 the date is 1, means date is greater than or equal to 1. So that's why I have selected this. Now again the formula is not completed. Now criteria range 2, again criteria range 2 in which dates, in dates of this, and then criteria is the end date. And now in end date first I have given there greater than and equal to. Now I will select there less than and equal to, because we want that our end date is 30th April, but we also want that 30th April is also included. So we use the sign less than or equal to and then inverted commas close and then we have to write here end. The formula is completed right now. Here this is the total quantity of April. Now if I change the month, for example I want to change the month of May, here 1 May to 31st May. Now total of May is 120. Have you seen here May, 2nd May 30 and 7th May 90. 30 plus 90 is equal to 120. In this way you can select the range of total quantity. Total quantity SUMIFS formula clear. Now I want there that my total amount is also given in this. So the same formula is equal to SUMIFS. Then again now we want to find the total amount, so we select this total amount, then comma criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is in these states, and then comma criteria 1, the date starts from this, and again here after comma I can write here in F5 we want that our value is greater than or equal to 1. So here I write inverted commas, and after that we use the sign greater than or equal to, inverted commas close, and now again comma criteria range 2. The criteria range 2 is also in these dates, and again we want comma, and the criteria 2 is our end date, and now again before end date I will write here same. Before end date I can write here again inverted commas. First there is greater than equal to, now there is less than and equal to, and again inverted commas close and sign, and after that we have to, now the formula is completed, and here is the total amount of May. The total amount in the May is 50,000. How we can see that? May, 2nd May 10,000, 7th May 40,000. 40,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 50,000. In this way we find the total quantity and the total amount of this data in this table. And how I have selected this range? For this range I have written here the procedure of dates, like I write here 1st January 2016 and then 1st February 2016 and so on up to 1st December 2016, and then I will go to data, and in data I will go to data validation, and after in data validation I will select here list, and in list this is the source. Have you seen this? I have selected this, and then I click OK, and in this way these dates have been written. And now how I put the start date here? Here you have written is equal to G2. Which is G2? The date, month, May, and G2 is this. So I have write here this, and how I have write here the end date. For the end date we have formula end of month. So I write it here. First I close this, now equal to EO month. Now which is the end of month? The start date. Which is the start date? This is the start date. Now comma, and we want to see the end of date, so 0. I have write here 0 and inverted commas close. This is the total formula, and here is from 1st May to 2nd May, and now I here select 1st March to 1st March to 31st March, but the data is not in here, so I have there is 0 and 0. Now again I have selected the data of June, so 1st June to 30th June. 1st June to 30th June the total quantity is 50 and the total amount is 15,000. So you can select the date from here, and total quantity and total amount will be given in this table. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel so that you can find more videos like this. Thanks.